Sunny, do you think what look like?
Look like worm.
Yeah, it look like worms, and so everyone to see. Wow, it's soft. It's soft.
So it's the patient, come on, it's the doctor.
Oh, Sunny sick. Are you better now? Are you better? Yeah, today you get well. Yeah, you don't need it anymore. Oh my God, what can we do with this? Okay, I have an idea. You want we mix slime with this cooling gel patch?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a cooling gel patch. First one, we need to one container. Okay, and Sunny, do you know what that? What that? It's a water. Okay, and now Sunny can pour water in this container. Okay, be careful. Oh, Sunny pour water more. We need color. What color Sunny like?
Green.
Sunny want green. Okay, Sunny get green. Okay, Sunny, can you open it? Wow. Sunny put some drops. It's about 5 drops. Wow. It's so nice. Do you like green?
Yeah.
I think that enough. Oh, too much. And now, the last step. Put cooling gel pad inside. Okay. We need to wait for a few hours. Hello Sunny. Wow. Sunny, do you know what that? That is slime. But Sunny, remember where slime is from? Yeah, but Sunny, remember? Yeah, because we made this slime. We made this slime in this morning, right? But now after 8 hours, let's check. Okay? And now Sunny, oh wait, let Sunny count. Okay, Mommy and Sunny count from 2 to 3 together, and then open. Okay, 1, 2, 3, open. Sunny, can you open? Open. Wow. Sunny, do you see? It's slime. Sunny can take it out. Wow. Oh my God. After 8 hours. After 8 hours, and now the giant cool pad becomes slime. Sunny can squeeze it. Oh, be careful. Sunny, show it everyone to see. Wow, Sunny, do you think what look like?
Look like worm.
Yeah, it look like worms, and show everyone to see. Wow, it's soft. It's soft. Right, it's sticky.
No.
Is it sticky?
No.
No. But is it soft? Sunny, do you like it? Yes. Oh my God, I think that this slime look like worm, right? But remember friends, even though this slime is said to touch and play with, it is not food. Please don't eat it and always keep it away from the mouth. After you finish playing, wash your hands well with soap and water. And clean up your play area so everything stays nice and tidy.